Sino man nag-view ng profile ko, ha? Yun. Hello? Ayun. Wait lang. Naghahanap pa ako teammates. Teammates? Na para bang...
Don't stare too long or you'll hurt your eyes.
Ayaw ni Cole eh. Nasyang wifi yata.
The louder your cheers, the brighter these flames. Let's make hit.
Tignan mo yung rank ko, oh. Pasilip sa profile. Wala, ganyan lang. Tapos tignan mo yung current rank. O, tignan mo highest rank ko. Legend 4? Highest. Aga ba? See? Puro lose. Puro talo. My God, ang lala. Bawiin natin. Ngayong gabi. Ngayong gabi? Ngayong gabi? Game. Wait, inintay ko lang yung mga kakampi ko. Yes, okay. So, let's just, yeah. Magsa-solo na nga lang ako. Sige, 1 game solo. Solo ako 1 game. Warm up. Ay! Wait! Jitos! Wait. Wait! Hello! Wait lang! G daw yung mga iba. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Sorry. Di naman ako mababan kapag diba? Pag di ko in-enter. Hello. Okay, wait. Ipa-enter ko na sila. On na ako. Ako na core. Wow! Wait lang, guys. So, wait lang. Minawait ko na yung mga kakampi ko. Ang tagal nila. So, titigan muna tayo dito. So, kamusta naman kayo, guys? Galing kaming WCG kahapon. Paano balik? Yung mga numbers sinasend nyo, i-add ko ba dapat kayo? Ganun ba yun? Paano? Like, ika-copy ko, tapos i-add ko kayo? Ganun. Nga. Ay, bakit ako paano? Balik. Ganyan. Sa Heart Me, Francis. Thank you pati tumalan sa Heart Me and Cebu. So yan, may bago tayong kapag nag-send kayo, dadagdag yung oras ng live ko. So kulang tayo ng isa. Tama ba? Marunong ba akong magbilang? Focus on... Isa? Sige. Buksan ko yung lobby. Paunahan na lang kayo, guys. Ano to? Ganito? Generate? Uy, wag naman yung mataas rank. Maawa naman kayo. Manudurog tayo. I mean, ako pala. Okay na ba? Wala! Wait. Kita nyo ba? Ayun. Ay, grabe naman yung rank natin, bro. Grabe naman. Okay, game. Ano daw? Hindi ko man lang binasa. Ay! Same. Ay, ba't ako mid? Paano ko ba i-hide yung lobby ID? Hindi pwede. May mag-a-adjust dapat. Wala ba tayong gold lane? Pag di ka nag-adjust, remove ka na namin. Ayun, um-adjust siya. Thank you. Nahiya ako mag-kick. People pleaser kasi ako. Ooh. Ishin yun na. Ayan na.
Please ban a hero.
Ay! Mid pala ako! Oh no. Siyempre, ba't ko papag-adjust si Cole? Di ba? Ranger. Ay, ako pala yung...
Your team is banned.
Uy, lane swap. Okay, no problem. Ban call. Huy! Huwag niyo ang inaaway, bebe ko.
Enemy is hero will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Nakahawak din ng Jella.
Hayabusa, Sanjo.
The enemy is picking.
Ang lamig, guys. Kakaligo ko lang, tinan mo, basa yung buhok ko. Alam niyo ba, yung hair dryer ko, nasira. So, di pa ako nakakabili ng bago. Uy, ba't dumagdag yung oras ko? Parang ayoko na yata to. Ang taga.
I am vengeance incarnate.
Mighty oaks from little.
Your team is picking.
The stars conspired to bring you to me.
Lamig. Ang ganda. Sino to? Icicle pala. Zushin? Ilan na stars?
The enemy is picking.
Hello guys! Welcome to live. Ano rank Nicole?
The light
I don't know. Parang epic
With
yata
all
siya.
the injustice in the world.
Rank. Diba? Yeah, yung buhok ko basa pa. Kakaligo ko lang guys.
I trust this will be worthy of my
Nathan?
talents.
Nathan? Magsusuko to kaysa dito. Pwede kayo sumali next game kung gusto nyo. I mean, kung gusto nyo lang naman. Ay, ang daming tao. Hi guys! Welcome sa live! Hala. Makikita nyo kung maging magaling sa ML. Wait, joke lang. Baka mag-expect kayo. Hala, nakakatuwa. Ang dami. Nagbubuhat po kayo ng kakampe o ng barbell? Ayun. Buhatin ko lang tong mga to eh. Joke lang! Tapos di marunong. Kaya pabuhat. Wait, isa-isa lang. Isa-isa lang. Ang dami naman nagpapabuhat sa akin. Diba? Ang daming nanonood. Ano ba?
Welcome to Mobile
Grabe.
Legends.
Okay. Focus. Hindi ka ba
5
ma-pressure?
seconds till the enemy reaches the
Hindi.
battlefield.
Ayan tuloy.
Smash them. All troops deployed.
Pero pag nanonood yung crush ko. Pero, game na nga. Uy!
I can do all
Ay, ito pala yung sumali.
except cooking.
Request backup. Okay. Request backup.
Ako ba tinatawag niya? Hindi ko alam.
First blood.
Whoa. Hala.
Well played. Request.
Naputol ba yung audio ko? Hala, boy! Wait lang, hindi pala ako XP ngayon. Wow. Ba't ako yung nahabol nito, bro? Bro! Help! Help! Parang may tao sa likod!
You have been slain.
Daddy.
Okay.
Enemy reached
Doctor
level
calls
4.
me his little angel, but I can't.
It's okay.
Hang in there.
Hala, Cole!
Ally has been slain.
Watch out for neck problems.
An ally has slain the turtle. An enemy has been slain.
Ano nangyayari sa mid?
Low mana, retreat.
The strength of my puppet was tangled
Si
up.
Cole, ayun.
Can you help me with that? Huh.
Ult is not ready.
Pwede naman sumali later.
Keep on smiling. It's important.
Mag-turtle ba tayo? Oh yeah, we got it. Coley!
Has been slain.
Ay, guya. Ow! Grabe na kalahating buhay ko!
An enemy has been slain. Backup.
Isang fortune cookie naman dyan. O nga, wala akong background music. Parang ikaw, kuya. Game. Wait, sapian ko na ba siya? Or si Haya na lang.
Papi, papi,
Initiate retreat.
Ayun, Haya, sa likod mo.
Ult is not ready.
Wow.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain
Yun,
an
nang
enemy.
agaw pa.
Superb healing.
Hala! Kuya! Wait lang po. Hindi ko nakita. Kuya King, thank you po. Ay! Grabe! guys, solid yan si Kuya King FB. Wait lang, namatay ako! Ah! Okay lang, worth it. Thank you po, Kuya King FB. Grabe. Solid po yan si Kuya King FB. Magkasama lang kami kahapon. Kanina lang, dumaan ako sa live nila. Niya pala. Wait. Ba't di ako makagalaw, bro? Tapos, nag-fortune cookie sila. Sobrang cute. So, abangan nyo, guys. Soon, magpo-post kami ng basta. Wait lang. Bakit sumasugod tong si boss? Yun. Tapos ka na mag-live po. Wait. Umalis na pala siya. Si Haya. Anyway. Ayun. Wait, nakalimutan yung sinasabi ko. Nag-collab kami and you know, abangan nyo na lang yung basta mga fortune cookie. Sobrang saya. Like, sobrang pagod ako kahapon, guys. Aray ko mo! Aray mo. Pero, sobrang worth it nung kahapon na pagod. Sobrang saya. Alam mo, matutulog kang masaya. Wait, ano nangyayari kay Cole?
Killing spree. Unstable network.
Hi, game pala.
Stop staring at me. Watch out
Tignan niyo ba?
problems.
Request backup.
Wait, natatalo ba tayo? Wait.
Papi, boom.
Or mali. That's wrong.
Played.
Stay cheerful.
Sorry.
Ally has been
Hala ka, boy. Malakas audio ng
turret
game.
has been destroyed.
Let's get the turtle.
Hindi, mahina lang yung music.
Tangled up.
Wait lang, boss.
Help me with
Focus.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has our turret is under attack. Double kill.
Cole, do you need some help? Wait lang, takasan natin.
An ally has slain the turtle. Request backup.
Agoy! Ayun lang, mali.
Slain.
Nasipa tayo, guys.
my dad.
Nakadata.
Keep an eye on the map.
Grabe naman yung pag-galaxy.
An enemy
Yes,
has
pati
been
si
slain.
Kuya Manjin din. Napasayaw namin ng fortune cookie.
Mega kill. Solo kill. Well played.
Sorry po dun kay Nathan, hindi ko siya natutulungan.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Papi,
Ito na.
keep on smiling. It's a book.
Wait lang, parang masakit. Uy, ano nangyari sa kanya?
Killing spree. Superb tanking.
At itong maliit na lord, nakakainis to. Wait lang, boss. Wait, back muna tayo, boss.
Unstable network.
Wait lang, boss.
Initiate retreat.
Papi, boom.
Shut down. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
Naku po.
It's my
Naku
job
po.
to help
Saglit po.
people.
An ally has been slain.
Please, 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 oh baby. As hindi na ko. Oh, pag-ibig ko ay too good. Ang sarap di mo na magbibigil ako.
Stop staring at me. Watch out for neck problems. But I can't fly.
Paano pa tayo maglo-lord?
Unstable network.
Wait, sino tong nasa gitna?
Been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
Ay, mali!
under attack. Been slain. Shut down. Request backup.
Wrong send. Sorry, boss.
Understood.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Kaya ng 48 ka pa din. Yes!
Unstable network.
Until now. Bakit?
Mega kill. The enemy has slain Lord.
Papi, papi,
Double kill. Keep an eye on the map. Okay.
Ayun lang.
Brilliant tanking! Superb healing!
Enemy ground. Take down the
Oh no! Oh no!
You have been slain. Request backup.
Hindi pa graduate. Former Osh
enemy
kita.
lord.
Bakit former? Dapat until now. Charing.
Initiate retreat.
Attack enemy lord!
Our turret has been destroyed.
Tagal na.
Our turret is under attack. Unstable network.
Kiki ka pa.
Our turret
Wala,
has
inaano
been
nila si-
destroyed.
Papi, papi,
An ally has been slain.
Naku, late yung sabi.
Shut down. Double kill.
Sa likod mo.
Superb tanking!
Well played. Ult is not ready. Monster kill. Request backup. Our turret is under attack.
What? Ano nangyayari? Uy, Cole, wag ka dyan.
Request backup.
Kapag may crush ka sa
Papi, papi,
akin, damdamin ay
Ow!
Godlike. An enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Well played.
as if I saw a mermaid.
Request backup.
I was stunned and my eyes were open wide. Oh my God.
Cole, wag ka dyan! Hala,
Request backup.
naglalag nga to.
Simple way between us is what I want.
Understood.
Yes, it's just what I've been dreaming of.
Initiate retreat. Request backup.
papi, papi,
Wow!
Mega
Galing!
kill.
pipa, pipa.
Galing!
Superb
Take down
healing!
the Lord. Request backup.
Hello, guys! Hello, kunin pa nila.
Okay.
Aray.
Papi, papi,
An enemy has been slain.
Understood.
On my way. On my way has been slain. Launch attack.
Grabe naman tong mga kakampi ko.
Request backup. Legendary.
Cute, diba?
Request backup.
I can do all
Ult is not ready.
Papi, papi,
Umalis siya. Hindi ko ma-hunt.
Slain. Godlike.
Solo kill. That was
Okay lang,
amazing.
worth it naman.
Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Okay lang. Natin yan. Ay. Sige, wag na. Ah!
Killing spree.
Sa likod! Sa likod! Sa likod! Sa likod! Sa likod!
Papi, papi,
Enemy double kill.
Patay.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Understood.
Okay, ayun. Ano nangyayari?
Enemy triple kill.
Grabe naman itong mga kakampi ko, oh.
Shut down.
Well, don't engage! Wait for me!
Ang tagal.
Okay.
Ang tagal. Ay, game na
Is
pala.
not ready. Ally has been
Okay,
slain.
let's go.
An enemy has been slain.
Eh?
An ally Initiate retreat.
Don't engage! Wait for me!
Yun, umabot pa. Huwag ka na pumalik dun.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Gather at the Lord.
stay in the good mood.
Matatalo pa kaya ito.
Every
Battle
day.
bell ready. Request backup.
Naku. Bro.
Ally has been
Bro.
slain. Your turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy.
Grabe, oh.
An enemy has been. Our base is under attack.
Hala! Uwi mo na! Wait
Double
lang!
kill.
Sorry! Wait lang! Paano mag-recall?
Superb tanking. Solo kill.
Wow!
Well played.
Good job.
Okay.
Attack enemy lord. Attack enemy lord.
Wait, yung Lord.
It's my job to help people.
Oh. Wait, guys. I'm kinda dying. Anong picture?
Stop staring at me. Watch
Sino
out for
nagpipicture?
problems. Papi, papi, boy.
Initiate retreat.
Eh? Grabe.
Initiate retreat.
Pamataos to.
Kikikata. The strings of my
Initiate
puppet
retreat.
is up. Can you help me with that?
Ano to?
Request backup.
Hala! Hala!
It's important.
Initiate retreat.
Hala! May humahabol sa akin, guys! May humahabol sa akin, guys! May humahabol sa akin! May humahabol sa akin!
Slain. An ally has been.
Instant kill. Solo kill.
Sorry, my bad yun.
Ult is not ready.
Grabe naman itong mga kampi ko. Ah, si Patatas Junior lang yung
Not ready.
gumagalat. Grabe naman yung Alucard nila.
Brilliant tanking. Superb
Gusto nyo
damage.
isa pang pag-ibig fortune cookie.
Request backup. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Wait. I'm like 9 seconds. Wait! No!
Killing spree.
Yun. Ito na. Tapusin na natin! natin! Tapusin na natin! Tapusin na natin, guys!
Initiate retreat.
Ang tagal ng minions!
Shut down.
Ay, wait lang! Ang lalim ko! Ang lalim ko! Ang lalim ko, bro! Sa likod!
Enemy has been slain. An enemy
Nice! Palo!
You have slain
Uy!
an enemy.
Ang agaw pa!
Request backup.
Ba yan? Ba't nabubuhay sila ulit?
Brilliant tanking.
Pwede naman mag-end to.
You have slain an enemy.
Game na end na natin to!
Wipe out.
Victory.
Hey, hey. Sheesh. What a game! Ay, sorry. Okay. Isa pa? May gusto ba sumali? Thank you, Hunyo. Ulo! Umalis ba siya? Ay, umalis si Coley pala. Oh, ad na. Ah! 10 PM na ba? Hindi pa 10 PM. Sali. Wait, gusto pa ba na mag one game nito ni Hunyo?
Please, 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 oh baby. As hindi na ko.
Ano? Sige, isa pa. Next game. Pagdamid ba? Ay, mid ako!
Please ban a hero.
Lo, di ako marunong. Wait lang. Thank you, Joshua, sa heart me. Thank you, P, sa heart me. Thank you, guys. Uy! Sinong ibaban ko, bro? Lo.
Your team is banning.
Wala, di ako nakaban. Oopsie. Sorry, guys. Chichikahan ako.
The enemy
Tama
is
na nga.
picking.
Focus na nga. That is so weird.
Let's play together.
Please pick a hero.
Ay, ako na pala.
Butterflies born by thy wish, guided by lantern's light.
Guys, parang hindi nababawasan yung timer ko, ha. Parang ayaw ko na pala.
Wipe out all the injustice in the world.
Hello, my friend.
team is
Pilitan
picking.
ko lang yun. Ganyan. Ay, ito na yung pinakamaliit.
I've been waiting for too long.
Wait. Estes. Bayan. So weird.
Light me up and watch the world
The enemy is
burn!
picking.
So weird. So weird. Thank you, Body Cutie.
War never ends.
Stand in my way.
Leave it
Sniper
to
ready.
my determination.
Give me a target. Your team is picking.
Parang
Demons shall
gulo ko yung
bathe in their
timer.
blood.
Kasi
The
kapag
light
parang
belongs to
naman
the
max time, like
righteous.
hindi ko maintindihan. Ayusin ko nga muna. Kasi... Ayan o. Thank you, Sir Rose. Hello, guys. See. Thank you sa finger heart. Yun. Five-man kalaban. Patay ka talaga!
To Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Ayoko na.
Smash them! All troops deployed!
Guys, focus.
Only wishes can shed light on the dark night of the soul.
Sana all may squad. Ay! Tapos na. Tapos na ang lahat. Dito pa rin ako. So, kailangan siyang... Uy! Ba't ang tahimik?
Launch attack!
Dapat may music tayo. Wait lang. Dapat pang 10 PM. Kasi magta 10 PM. Wait. Where's my 10 PM playlist? Yun. Game.
May
I'm
this
low on
lantern
HP.
glow brighter with thy desire.
Let me clear the way.
Saya talaga nitong part na to.
Blood!
That was amazing!
An enemy has
Pwede
been
na ba ako
slain.
umikot pag ganun? Saan yung bank ko, guys?
This lantern reveals people's true colors.
Request backup!
Ay! Andun pala siya.
Initiate retreat!
Agoy, masakit yun.
An ally has slain the turtle!
Wait lang. Ayos ko na yung buho ko.
I don't seek to
Joke,
toy
andyan na pala
with
siya.
your heart.
Ayoko yan. Wait,
Ult is
tingnan
ready.
mo na.
The longing of mortals stems from their impermanent nature. Follow the luminous flow.
An enemy has been slain!
Ano yung roam natin? Okay, I don't know.
Illuminate. Thousand butterflies.
Aroy, nagultihan kaming dalawa. Ayun, wrong move, bro. Naku po talaga, Day. Oh my God, awa na lang talaga, bro.
Slain.
What a flying wish.
Yun lang.
I still sense unfulfilled wish.
Ally has been slain.
Taka lang. Pwede ko na iwanan yung mid? Hindi yata.
The city of Juan has
An ally has been slain. Ult is not ready.
upon a butterfly.
Naku, parang mali. Naku. Mali! Ano ba yung Estes? Ano doon yung Estes pala? Wala. Pangit. Pangit. Pangit?
Was it you
Okay.
who called me back?
Ally has been slain. Sorry.
Parang mababawi lang yung star ko kanina. Uy, nagawa niya.
Hey, just play safe.
Guiding blossom. Any last wishes?
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Kakainis!
Back up.
Hala, kinagat niya ako. Ba't siya nawala bigla? Uy,
Launch attack.
Understood.
wait lang, parang delikado ako dito, guys. Wait, clear ko muna to.
Request backup.
Seek the flame.
I think I gotta go home first.
Ult is not
Anti-heal
ready.
para sa Estes. Paano yun?
Like fluttering butterflies.
Ult is not
I
ready.
don't seek to toil with mortal hearts, only to test the will behind them.
You know the greatest films of all time were never made.
Our turret has been destroyed.
You wanted me, you really should.
Our turret is under attack.
If you never bleed, you're never gonna grow. And it's
Ano na sila?
right now.
An ally has been slain.
Think so. Rolling 20s, tossing pennies in the
Ay! Hello!
You have been
Kinagat
slain.
ako. Ayoko na, last game na to.
my defense. I have none.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Never leaving well enough alone.
Enemy rampage. Enemy double kill.
Oh my God! I'm kinda not slay today.
I still sense unfulfilled wishes.
I had this dream you're doing cool shit. Having adventures on your own. You meet on the internet and take her home.
Our turret
Baliw.
is under attack.
Mali. Teka, parang hindi ko naabot. Ah!
Time I open up.
Hala! Mali-mali ginagawa ko.
What an
Shut down.
Guys, ako lang yung...
Pennies, tossing pennies in the pool. And if my wishes came
Just came.
Let's get the turtle! You who called me back?
Request backup.
I have none.
Okay.
Never leaving well enough alone. But it would have been fun if you would.
An ally has slain the turtle.
The city of Juan.
Naku.
Epic outplay.
An enemy has been
Tara.
An enemy has been slain.
We were something, don't you think so? Rose flowing with your chosen family. And it would have been sweet.
would be
My defense, I have none.
Wow,
But digging up
yun naman yung nangangagat.
fun. If you would have been one.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Wala, ba't mabagal ako maglakad? Uy.
Killing spree. Ult is not ready.
Bayan, hindi ko maano yung chang na to. Ay! Ito na naman siya!
Team destroyed a turret. Slain.
What of mine, which
Pakainis.
Bet my friends been telling you I'm not doing much better. Cause I'm missing half of me.
Shut down.
Ay, naku. Ang pangit. Pangit. Ayoko na. Ang
Ult is
pangit.
ready.
I still sense unfulfilled wishes.
Out for blue sky, kinda there but not quite. I'm walking around with just I'm half a heart without you. I'm half a man at best.
Guard, wait lang. I'm so sorry.
It's everything we I'm half a heart without you.
Thousand butterflies.
You have been slain.
Ang lapit!
Your team destroyed a turret. Slain.
Go for lunch down by the
Dala, ayoko na. Sorry, guys. Dapat nag-Angela na lang ako. In here without you.
like I'm waking up to.
Enemy double kill.
You who called me back?
Kinda there, quiet. Walking around with just one shoe. I'm at best with half an arrow in my chest. I miss everything we do.
A ton of butterflies.
Ba't nawala bigla yung kalaban?
The enemy has slain Lord. Been destroyed.
Oh, babe, Laura.
Our turret is under
Oh my lord! Hello!
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ako!
And I've been waking up to only half of
Attack enemy lord.
walking around with just
Hindi.
Instant kill.
Mahina lang talaga ako, guys.
Sense unfulfilled wishes.
Hindi kita yung KDA mo. That's the point.
Shut down. Double kill.
That's the point.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Uy, dati ang galing ko mag-Zushin. Hindi ko na alam.
Invade enemy jungle.
Nakakahiya.
Understood.
Sorry, guys.
Enemy godlike.
Tinakpan nga eh.
Shut down.
Wait, eto na. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Uy, samahan nyo naman ako. Please. Parang wala akong naambag doon. Parang wala lang yun. Aray! Aray!
You have been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Well played. Triple kill. Maniac.
Sino yun? Wow, and well played.
Well played.
Buhat na buhat. Ako. Okay lang, guys. As long
Ally
as...
has been slain.
Who called me back?
Taas pala sila.
Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret. Take
Ba
down
yan?
the Lord.
I take down the Lord daw. Wait lang, tanungan natin ang ating kaibigan dito. Oh no, tunaw siya. Wait,
Initiate
I'm
retreat.
sorry, I gotta go.
Take down the Lord.
Game Lord na daw.
Initiate retreat.
Ay, wag daw. Ano ba talaga, guys? So aimable.
An ally has been slain.
Ay!
Sorry.
Wait lang, alis ako dyan. Sorry.
An ally has been slain.
Hello, sorry, Carrie. Carrie yun, di ba?
Initiate
Yung name
retreat.
niya. Hello, wait lang. Parang kailangan ko na umalis dito.
Initiate retreat.
Wait. Mommy!
Unstoppable.
Instant kill! That was amazing!
Shut down. Your team destroyed a turret. Enemy double kill.
After nito.
Okay.
Guys, charge mo na ako. Charge mo na ako. Guys, hugas mo na ako plato.
Shut down. My enemy has slain Lord.
Instant kill!
Worth the wait?
Ang ganda ng ano nyo.
The longing of mortals
Wala
stems
akong
from
ganyan.
their impermanent nature.
Initiate retreat.
Be careful, much more.
Okay.
A true vicious flame can endure the fiercest tempest.
Ay!
Upon a butterfly,
Initiate retreat. You initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack.
Time na to charge. Charge mo na ako, guys.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed.
Hoy, ba't yung binibilang yung
Our base
deaths
is under
ko?
attack.
Ayun.
Sorry.
was it you who called me back?
Saan makakampi ko? Ah! Ang dami. Wait lang.
Illuminate
Aray ko mo.
thousand butterflies.
Oh, ang sakit. Wala.
Enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Wow.
Ally has been slain.
Wait, isang ubo na lang ako.
Follow the luminous glow.
A cigarette for so much restraint, no matter how long I wanna be.
Grabe.
Waiting for
Ay, mali. Wow, ito na naman siya. Oh, kinagat siya, guys. Nasaan na yun? Ba't bigla nawawala ganun?
Request backup.
Thank you, Lord. Ah!
My battle upon a butterfly.
Ayun. Nice, nice.
An enemy has been slain.
Tumatay ako. Ang tagal naman ng cooldown. Cooldown? Nang respawn?
Free. Shut down. Enemy double kill. Request backup.
Charging na ako. Charging na ako, guys.
Epic outplay.
Uy, ba't yung binibilang?
Request is under attack.
Patay, ito na.
Any last wishes?
Ay, may minion pa na
Down the
rin.
Lord.
Anong Lord? Ayun. Ala, wait lang. Parang ayoko dito, pre.
Request backup.
Pre, parang ayoko dito. Sige na nga.
Thousand butterflies.
Ako.
Have been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Nakita niyo ba yun?
Request backup.
Uy! Ba't yung binibilang?
Initiate retreat.
Binibilang nyo, ah.
Double kill. Initiate retreat.
Instant kill. Great play.
Go, guys!
Double kill.
Sacrifice. Did we get the Lord? Ay, we got the Lord. O, diba? I told you.
Follow Lord.
No call me.
Wait,
Follow Lord.
dito pa lang ako sa base.
Angels like you can
Your team destroyed a turret. Initiate retreat.
Ay, alis daw. Okay, okay.
Initiate retreat.
Okay, sorry. Pa yan. 21 minutes na yung game.
Toil with mortal.
Naambag ko.
Only to
Sigaw.
test the will behind them.
Uy, kinagat siya, guys. Ba't kasi?
Guiding blossom.
Parang, ay! Ang sakit mo na! Kinagat na naman ako!
Guiding blossom.
Wait!
Free. Epic outplay.
Should I, Hindi, mag-regen muna ako. Don't kiss.
Shut down.
Uy!
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Uy, naglalag ako, pre! Wait, uwi muna ako. Win na ba muna ako? Or later na? Hindi. Tulungan ko na itong mga to.
The city of Juan has always been
Naku, parang mali.
place.
Yan. Anong R? Retreat? Ay, recall? Retreat! R na. Buuin nyo kasi. So, for galing. Ako lang. Guys, ako lang.
I'm low on HP.
Take down the Lord.
Understood.
Grabe, ang lala. Ang lala!
Sorry. Request backup.
Ayun, nag-lord na sila.
Gather at the Lord.
Okay.
Falling faster. If you
slain Lord. Ally has been slain. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
I still sense unfulfilled wishes. Illuminate!
I'm scared. Ay, di pala kami buo. Hala, ang tagal pa ng iba.
Guiding.
Diyan na si Lord. Wala na to, guys. Kaya pa ba? On your lips, just leave it. Aray!
Under attack.
Aray mo! Ala, sorry. Naku, wala na to, guys. Naku, sorry.
Perfect AoE. Under attack.
Defeat.
Patay. Charge. Oh, hindi na ako nakaalis dito. Ano ba yan? Kaya pa yun baligtarin. Weh. Okay, walang titignan sa ano ko. Walang titingin. Wala na to, guys. Bayan. Let's just leave it if you don't mean it. Last game. Ano yung MH? Monday. Huwebes. Ano, sali kayo? Oh. Who wants to join? Wala, tinan mo yung mga rank nyo, guys. Ako, simpleng tao lang. Uy, sino yan? Moon. Oh, i-stock natin, i-stock natin. Fuck. Di ba si ano to? Sino to? K-pop idol ba yan? Uy. Ay, kasali daw si Cole, guys. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. New lobby ka, ate. Sorry, guys. Wait lang natin yung isa. Sorry. Five minutes. Ano pwede gawin ng 5 minutes? Sabihin ko, pre, may kalaro ka na. Ay, mali. Pre, may kalaro ka na. At nga natin. Ayan, wag na. Cancel na. Ang tagal. Oh. Wow. Ano to? Hey. Wait. Done ka ba? Okay. Go. Hello. Wait lang, guys. Bayan! Hello, hello, hello. Kulang kami isa. Ay, kita pala yung lobby ID. Sorry, ayan na si Cole. Game. Eh? A player, ano daw? Might be last game. What? What?
Soklay.
Ah, soklay. Okay, what to do? Hala, si ano? Ayun. Ikaw pala yun eh. Uy, bano mag-CC. Ako yun.
Please ban a hero.
Wait, ano ako mid? Ayoko na mag-mid. Please, Cole. Let's swap. Pro player tong PF. Uy, malakas yan. Si ML48. Jamie. Uy, wait. Magbaban pala ako. Hindi niya sinabi yan.
When I felt the moment stop, glass shattered on the white cloth. Everybody moved on.
Please pick a hero. The enemy is picking.
Reports, di nagban.
Mission completed.
Any role pero same hero.
Leads you. Your team.
Uy, alam niyo ba dating DT-role ako?
The stars
Dati lang yun.
to bring you it's my way.
Dati lang yun.
The enemy is picking.
Ang totoong malakas di nagbaban. Oh, sis. Wait, sino nagban dito? Isa kami. Grabe naman yung mga ban nyo, guys. Anyway. Angela Core.
I'm bound by nothing. Am more than
Sino to?
a weapon.
Julian. Pareho kami buhok. Bawing-bawi sa ML. Yan nga, gusto ko nga mag-crossfire eh.
Let them play the hero.
The
I
enemy
will
is
be the
picking.
truth this world desperately needs.
Hindi nga ako marunong mag-core.
Experience the euphony of
Ranger.
suffering.
Grabe. Galing ng mga nagig-ranger. Parang ang hirap eh. Tama ba yung mga emblem? Hindi ko nga alam eh. Hindi ko alam. Hindi nakaka-abante star. Wait, sinong kalaban? Diggy, Diro, Lancelot, Lunox, Ranger. Yun nga eh.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Flying Cloud. I love this
5
map.
seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Win with teamwork.
Doctor calls me his little angel, but I can't fly.
Witness and it's been so long.
Request backup.
Never think you got it wrong. I'm right where you left me. You left me now. You left me now. You left me no choice but to stay here forever. You left
Stay in a good mood
Wait, ang dami nangyayari sa taas.
It's my job to help people.
Enemy missing.
Uy.
Ana! Stay cheerful every day.
Di ko alam kung anong ginagawa ng Diggy. Like, ganun ba yun? Sige ano yung vision? What does that mean?
Abracadabra! Keep smiling!
Ay, wait lang, kay Cole pala dapat. Ay, mali! Mali! Sorry, Cole! Wrong set!
Enemy double kill.
I'm sorry.
My daddy.
Sorry.
Initiate retreat. Good game. Sorry.
Hang in there.
Ay, wait.
Enemy reached level 4. Enemy reached level 4.
An ally has been
Enemy reached level
Ba't nawala?
Request backup.
Tignan ko kung nasan yung jungle ng kalaban. Ayan, no? Siya ba yun, di ba? Si Lancelot. Lancelot? Aray! Mo!
The turtle.
Ako nag-slay ng turtle? Oh. Panis, guys. Nakita nyo yun? Ako ba yun?
Solo kill.
Ult is not ready.
Jamie Tizzy.
Request backup.
The strings of my puppet got tangled up. Can you help me with that?
Galing ni Cole mag-sushi. Baka turo nga ako dito. Hindi ko nagagawa yung hila-hila.
I can do all the chores. Except cooking.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Papi, boom!
An enemy has been slain.
Alam kong luha ang
Abracadabra!
An enemy.
hanapin mo kahit sigaw pa ang pagsamo.
Stop staring at me!
Ouch! An enemy has been slain.
Wait, okay lang ba si Cole doon?
Initiate retreat.
Hindi pala.
Keep on smiling!
Let's heal her.
Pipa!
An enemy has been slain.
Ay, mali. Dapat si Lancelot yung... Ayun.
Pipa!
Tayo
para sa isa.
Lomana, retreat. Killing spree.
Solo kill.
Di ba sinta?
Mali. Ano ba yan?
Shut down. And initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain.
Ay, patay na yung mga purple.
Double kill.
Isa pang turtle. Ay, okay lang, tumulong naman ako doon. Uy, nandun na siya bigla. Ala! Ganun pala yun?
Killing spree.
Epic outplay.
Well played.
Uy, grabe, wait lang, mag-isa lang pala ako.
But help me! I can't fly.
Wait lang, parang si Cole, parang kailangan niya ng help natin.
Papi, boom!
Mega kill.
Solo kill.
Nice. Good job, guys.
Your team destroyed the turret. Unstoppable.
Nice.
Solo kill. Great play.
Okay.
Your team destroyed the turret. Good game. Mega kill.
Solo kill.
Ayun na siya. Oh my lord. Yepen Ika. Ayun, salamat sa tulong, guys.
Team destroyed the turret. Monster
What an
kill.
easy game.
Solo
Charot.
kill.
Uy.
Has been slain. Enemy has been slain.
Aray ko mo.
I see you craving for more. You're denying.
Uy, wait lang, bro. Nakatulala ako.
Every day.
Unstoppable.
Ayun, tapos na pala. Bayan.
Solo kill.
Late ako, late. Wait tayo. Ba't ako inaano neto?
All the chores. Except
Magsisi.
Killing spree.
Hindi naman ako nagsisisi, guys. Joke lang.
Well played.
I take
Double kill. Monster kill. Good game.
I only matter when he's not around.
Ano ba yun?
Appreciate you. Take all the love that I
it's my job to help people.
got, my heart on my sleeve.
Papi, papi, boy.
I'm
What steal?
Uy, ang dami.
Amazing. Great save.
Unstoppable. Double kill.
Hi!
Triple kill.
Grabe naman yun.
keep you wanting.
Godlike.
Grabe naman yun. Uy!
Legendary.
Oh! Aray.
Stop staring at me.
Ano ba tong itlog na to?
Problems?
Legendary.
Sana ganito lang lagi. Okay, I'ma heal you guys.
Destroyed the turret.
Take all the love.
Ally has been slain.
Ow! Joke lang. Uy, Gabi, Thomas!
Legendary.
Papi, papi, boy.
Double kill.
Oh my lord. Oh my pumpkin. Teka lang. Uy, wait lang. Hindi. Joke lang po. I underestimated.
Tanking.
Win streak? Walang streak. Wala. Nababawi lang ng nababawi yung mga star ko. Grabe naman yung mga kampi ko.
Stay in a good mood.
Uy, ba't may ganun?
Every day.
Nakakuha lang ng isang turtle yung mabang na.
Our turret is
Ay, wait, sino
under
to?
attack.
Si YZ pala.
Great save.
Take down the Lord.
Kalimutan natin tulungan ang ating EXP.
Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has slain Lord.
Wait! To!
You have slain.
Nako, isang ubo na lang ako! Ha! Ha! Kita niyo yun?
Superb tanking.
Ble!
Initiate
Lancelot!
retreat.
Ble! Ala, wait! Wait lang!
Cooking.
Wait lang, ba't nabuhay siya ulit?
Understood.
Game.
Doctor calls me his little angel.
What? Nadaan ka? Okay, go.
Hi.
Ba yan?
Your team destroyed a turret.
Papi, papi, boy.
Ay.
Pipa, pipa.
Ayun lang. Uy, napindot ko.
Ally has been slain. Legendary double kill. Enemy rampage. Triple kill. Shut down.
Nice! Wow! Ang galing! Ayun, chat.
Ano ba yan?
Hala, ba't siya may ganun? May galing. Galing.
Kiki kaka. The strength of
Legendary.
Naku, wait.
Double kill. Triple
Mali.
kill. Maniac.
Oh!
Damage. Superb healing.
Well played.
Wow!
Pipa, pipa.
Isa pa! Ba't ganun mag-Lancelot yun?
An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed.
No offense.
Legendary.
Wow! Ang galing niya! Grabe! Aray, wait lang. Ba't sinalo ko na lahat? Hindi na naman tayo eh. Sinasalo ko na naman lahat eh. Uy! Hala! Lord na, Lord. Ano ba to? Ba't ako sinusundan itong itlog?
Instant kill.
Ay, mali. Mali!
Request backup. Our inhibitor turret is under
Uy, ako na lang isa naglo-Lord. Ay, hindi pala. Uy, wait lang. Isang ubo na lang ako, bro.
Ally has been double kill. Turret has been destroyed. Turret has been destroyed.
Ay, kuya, namatay ako. Wala.
Slain. Enemy double kill. An ally has slain
Namatay ako.
Lord.
Yan talaga pag namamatay si Diggy. Ano nangyayari pag namamatay siya? Nagiging itlog siya. Tapos sumusunod siya sa mga tao. Not slay. Wait, ihin natin mga tao.
It's my job to help.
Ayan o! Sumusunod talaga siya. Wait lang! Oy! Oy! Help! Ah! Hindi, inisal ko kasi yung Lancelot ko. Nasunod lang sa'yo yan. May skill naman yan.
Request backup.
What?
Shut down. Legendary. An ally has been slain. Double kill. Launch attack. Okay.
Wait guys, 18 seconds pa ako.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Lakad na lang.
Abracadabra. Keep smiling.
How are you today, Jamie? Okay, I just rested the whole day.
An enemy has been slain.
Wow, my god, si Cole na tayo. Wag na sasay.
Double kill.
Ano oras na? 9:30.
Superb damage.
Wait lang,
Superb
be.
healing.
Triple
Sunod pa
kill.
rin sa akin yung ano, yung itlog. Nakakairita.
An enemy has been slain.
Ay, joke. Hindi pa pala pwede. Wag na. O, ganun ready. Wala akong ganun eh. Haha! Funny talaga yung Lancelot nila. Ano? Oh, game na.
Mega kill.
Yay! What game did I enjoy the most?
Victory.
Mage Arena. Yay! Yay! Grabe! Hindi siya namatay! Kahit isa! Grabe, hindi mo lang namatay. Okay, isa pa ba? Sige, isa pa, mo game pa sila eh. Last game na. Last game. Sabihin ko, last game ako, guys. Oo nga, grabe ka, kuya. Ikaw ba yun? Kuya ba? Sorry. Baka hindi ka pala kuya. I don't wanna mid lane.
Please ban a hero.
Can we swap? Hoy, ba't ako naging jungle? Hoy, wait! Pinindot ko kasi. Dumaan lang, nag-relapse pa. Yeah, malapit na kasi mag 10 PM. Uy, ayos
Your
kasi.
team is banning.
Ayoko. Napipindot ko kasi. Papakitaan ko kayo ng Jamie TZ. Ano nga ako? Rome.
The enemy is picking.
Sino? Sino? Nag-ban.
Come on, let's roll!
Please pick a hero.
Let's make the whole world green.
Sino nag-ban? Nakita nyo ba?
The stars conspired
The
to bring
enemy is
you to
picking.
me.
May the blood of my enemies flow from my spear.
Sigaw Darna pag gusto sa
Your
anime.
team is picking.
Naalala ko yung clip ni Oheb.
It's my way or the highway.
Ayun. Ayun na si boss. Magta-28-0 na naman siya. Ay! Thank you sa Heart Me, Paul. Thank you, Kuya Edge to Gives. Kuya SNH.
enemy is
Thank you. Thank you sa gifts. Hindi ko nakita. Focus
Guess
na
the
focus ako
nobles
kanina.
can't handle them.
Ay, nako. Last game na to, ah. Sabihin ko. Last game na.
Some lessons need to be repeated.
Your team is picking.
Yeah. Yung AKB48, sila yung mother group namin. So, bale, yung AKB48, From Japan. Tapos may mga sister group kami. From Manila, ito, MNL48, and then Jakarta, JKT48, Bangkok, BNK48, etc. Sobrang dami. Like, around Asia.
I see lots of
So,
prey.
same lang. So, ang nangyayari is, yung mga songs from AKB, ina-adapt namin sa MNL48, ginagawang Tagalog. Filipino pala. Yes. Aga naman yan. Uy, mag-10 p.m. na, hindi na yan maaga. No. Okay, who's the kalaban? Kimi. Si Johnson. Ano ba ginagawa ni Johnson? I don't know. Whatever.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Wait, ano to? Florin.
5 seconds
Sino yung
till the
jungle?
enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Si Roger. Well,
All
guys.
troops deployed!
Car. Nagdadrive.
grow towards the
okay.
sun.
Gets. Naalala ko na.
Show them.
Whoa! Ay, sorry.
Let's go, Dew. They need our help. Green is the
Wait lang,
color.
parang inaano niya ako.
Show them. Make this place bloom again.
Request backup!
The unknown world always fascinates me.
Sana kaya rin i-heal ni Florin yung sakit na iniwan niya! Hindi nga guys eh.
Launch attack!
Grabe, wait lang boss!
First blood! Request backup!
Tingnan mo nga ako. Healer main. Pero, ... Yun lang masasabi ko. Wait lang. Fun kasi. Oy.
Each flower
An enemy has been
of a
slain!
tiny seed.
Uy. Diba? Healer main. Mahirap healer. Kasi, ikaw nag-heal sa iba. Pero sarili mo, hindi mo
Let's
ma-heal.
get the
Ganda?
turtle. For all the flowers of all the tomatoes.
Uy. Bakit dumami yung tao dito bigla?
Show 'em what you got, Dew.
Di ba pag Florin, binibigay yung ano? Binigay mo naman, pero in the
Are
end,
not fighting alone. ...
Ito, kaya na lang magtuloy. Wala pa akong heal. I mean,
Enemy has
ultimate.
slain the turtle.
Ultimate!
Initiate retreat!
Naku,
Blossom for you.
wait lang mga boss. Ayun na yung kotse niya.
Initiate attack!
Bakit sila ganyan? Nagdidikit-dikit sila.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Nag-flicker ba? Kailan ako nag-flicker? Nagkamot ka ng flicker? Or di ba siya
You have slain an enemy!
Oh, panis.
Enemy killing!
Wait, wala na akong mana.
Shut down!
Wait. Next game, tulong ka sa jungle.
My friend told me that life is all about.
Sino ba yung jungle? Itong may bigote. Si Roger. Tama ba? Diba? Wala eh. Eh, ba't ba ako nandito?
And so the
Thank you, Body Cutie.
beneath
An ally has been slain.
kill me, but if you just
Ayun, bitin yun.
Oasis, isn't it?
Uy, sakit mo na. Wait lang.
drunk on this.
Kita niyo yun? Pinindot ko naman.
An enemy has been slain.
Let me clear the way.
Naglalag ako. Maski yung live ko, ayan o, sabi, unstable. Yung live. Hindi ako. Wait! Ano ba? Anong pangalan na to? Gushon!
Enemy initiate retreat. Okay.
Ano yung fleeting time? Eto? Bibilin ko to? Ganyan?
Today is wonderful, and tomorrow will be even better.
Naglag yung stream ko, no?
Let's get the turtle!
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Uy, ayun na yung kotse niya. Wait
An
lang.
enemy has been slain.
Choice we make.
Enemy rampage.
Ayun lang.
Nature loves everyone in a
Si
tough
Aldrian.
manner.
Request backup. Our turret has initiate retreat.
Like yung eto?
Let's go, Jew. They need
Naka-ano yung wireless streaming? Yan ba? Ganun ba yun? Wait lang, hindi ko mabasa yung mga message. Wait.
Ally has been
Mali pa yung kill ko. Namatay na siya. I think I need help here, guys. I think I need help.
I tried to run from your side, but each breath
Wait,
Your
anong
team
purify?
destroyed a
Yung
turret.
dito? Sa baba?
Request backup.
Miracles may happen in every choice we make.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
I needed, but we know that's what I felt. I was so
Whoa.
Today is wonderful,
Whoa.
and tomorrow
Whoa.
Enemy double kill.
Thank you, Buddy Zone. Sa Go Popular and sa Heart Me.
Initiate retreat.
Oo, I'm so sorry. Turuan nyo nga ako. Yung mga wireless connected device. Ito. Naka-connect siya sa
Initiate retreat.
PC
Has
ko.
been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Hindi ko alam.
Initiate retreat.
Ano build mo na?
rematch
Build for...
when
Hello.
The enemy
Guard.
has slain the turtle. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has
Wait lang,
been
focus na. Medyo natatalo kami. Wait lang. Ganon eh. Kapag nanalo kami, natatalo. Oh, di mo naglalag ako!
so come back to me.
we
enemy legendary.
Namatay na naman.
Superb control.
Uy, grabe na.
You have slain an enemy. Shut down. Enemy
Rotation mo
double
after
kill.
4 minutes. Gusto niyo makita? Ito.
Our
Ay,
turret
ito.
is under attack.
Hindi ko alam talaga.
Too late.
First skill, max mo. Okay, judge it.
I
I don't know what I'm doing. This one. What do you think?
Each place I hide,
Dulo ka the what?
only
for all the flowers of all the tomorrows.
remind until now the night.
Uy. Uy, ayan na yung si Johnson's baby powder. Sinagasaan ako.
You have been slain.
Palitan mo yung boots mo. Ano yung kapalit ko dito?
An enemy has been slain. Ally has
Boots
been. An enemy has been slain.
Saan ba yung...
An ally has been slain.
Makikita yun, guys. Ito.
Out on the
Ito, Demon Boots.
An enemy has
Soft
been
boots.
slain.
Ano ba talaga?
Spree. Double
Boots?
kill.
Demon Boots. Demon Slayer. Sige. Paano? Like,
Each flower
ito,
is the dream
purchase.
come true of a
Ay, wala
tiny
akong
seed.
pera. Yata. Arcade. Uy! Wait lang! Bro! Wait lang. Nilampaso ako, guys. Uy, yun, nakatakas
An
ko.
enemy has been
Oh my
slain.
God. I'm so sorry. Thank you,
An enemy
guys.
has been slain.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take down the Lord.
Understood. I'm
Low
low on
HP.
It's impossible to know if after this we can
Your team
Binabasa ko kasi yung
destroyed a
comments
turret.
nyo. Napapalitan ko yung boots ko.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Enemy double kill. An ally has been slain.
Ay, baliw. Wait lang. Ako mag-isa dito. Wait lang, boss. Boss. Ah!
Initiate retreat. Slain.
Sorry. Namatay mo ang katabi ko.
even though it's over you
Initiate retreat.
if tomorrow you won't be mine.
Wait, okay, game. Palitan na natin. So, dapat ba i-sell ko yung current kong boots? This one? Ay, this one. Tapos,
Our turret is under
Ito.
attack.
cancel blessing. Anong cancel blessing? Ay, wait lang. Mamaya na nga tayo mag-ano.
Unexplainable love that only we
So, ibebenta ko to.
stand.
Ay, mali.
Request.
Eh, paano pag binenta ko? May pambili ba ako ng bagong boots?
Everyone in a tough manner.
Ewan ko sa inyo, guys. Hindi ko naiintindihan. Talaga.
Under attack.
Ay, sige, try natin.
Ally
Ito, Infinite Cut 62 plus. Wait, so ito, sell. Tapos, buy ako nito. Let's purchase. Ayun. Tapos,
triple kill.
it's mine. Inuuna ka na ng core nila. Oo, kasi alam nyo bakit?
Request.
Wait, thank you, Crazy, sa You're Awesome, sa Heart Me. Thank you. Kasi ano, guys, kapag, ano,
Our turret
pag di
is
nila ako
under
inuna,
attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
wala.
Initiate retreat.
Andun na sila agad. Help!
Request backup. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Wait, ano sabi ko?
Revive.
Mali pa yung bato ko. Anyway,
Watch out
magtank
for
ka na.
This
Bakit?
world is full of
Para kaya ko
things
saluhin lahat ng sakit? Kahit naman hindi, guys. Eh.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Turret has been destroyed.
Show 'em what you got, dude.
Request backup.
Grabe ka naman, meow. Sorry, guys. Ano siya pinda? Ayoko na. Last game na talaga to.
Double kill.
Try mo time sa game dyan. Saan?
Triple kill.
Dito kay Florine?
Enemy double.
Oo, sinalo ko lahat.
Triple kill.
Oh my God. Sorry po dun sa kalaro namin si June, July, August, September.
Our inhibitor
Sana
turret
hindi
is
ka pa
under
nag-visit
attack.
sa akin.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Please bloom again.
Shut down. Legendary.
Ginawa naman niya yung lahat, guys.
I walked through the door with you. The air was cold.
Sinalo mo na lahat, pero di pa rin sapat. Ganun talaga, guys. Diba?
Initiate
Willing ka
retreat.
namang saluhin lahat.
Watch out for flanking.
Ayan na yung kotse niya, guys. Pero in the end, talo pa din.
Legendary. Double kill.
Yun, sakto. 2 minutes to 10 p.m. Oh, Lord na tayo! Lord na, Lord na.
My wide-eyed gaze, I'm singing in the
Show 'em what you got, dude.
Ayun na sila!
turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed a turret.
Wait lang, parang mali yung pwesto ko!
You have destroyed. Enemy double kill. Shut down. Legendary.
Attack enemy lord.
Okay lang. Last game na to, guys.
Our
Bukas
base
na
is
ulit. Ay,
under
bukas.
attack.
Naku, ayun no. Hindi, kaya pa yan. Ilaban pa natin. Aray.
Slain.
Si Adrian, tinapos na niya. Yes. I'm using Infinix.
Defeat.
Guys, charge muna ako. Live. 2 hours. Stars na nagdagdag. 0.
He's gonna say it's love. You never called it what it was. Till we were there on a berry, check the pulse.
Ayun.
Come back swearing.
GG's po, mga boss.
3 months in the grave. And then you wondered where it went to. Cause I reached for you, but all I felt was shame. And you held my lifeless
New phone, a bit new, parang mga
it's long gone.
2
And there was
months old.
nothing else I could do. And I forget about you long enough to forget who I
Okay, GG's guys.
Cause there we are again in the middle of the night.
Mwah!
Around the kitchen in the refrigerator light. Now mistakes, all mistakes. I remember
Charge muna ako, guys. Time to charge.
Don't stare too long or you'll hurt.
and there we are again.
I'm coming in like a
Time to charge.
You kept me like a secret, but I kept you.
Stop natin yung mga tao dito.
Sacred prayer, and we
Hello, meow.
remember it all.
Slay Queen. Oh, pak. No, this is the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. This is violet. Ay, nakita masyado. Tapos na natin tong last song, 5 minutes, and then end live. Hello. Next time, magla-live ulit ako ng ML. Gusto niyo ba ng other game? Gusto niyo ba ng HOK, Battleground? Sabihin niyo lang. Kasi, try ko naman next time. Baka nagsasawa na kayo sa akin.
Don't stare too long or you'll hurt your eyes.
Maybe tomorrow or maybe, what day is it today? Tuesday. No, it's Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Maybe through Wednesday. Maybe Wednesday or Thursday. Let's see, but yeah.
The louder your cheers, the brighter these flames.
Unfortunately,
Let's make history.
I'm in you hell every time
Okay. Ilang minutes na lang to.
across my mind.
Hindi, oh my god.
We had been closer in age, maybe it's
Sakit sa likod. Ang pwesto ko dito. GG's. Guys.
shine reflects on me.
Grabe. Thank you, June. GG's. Thank you sa buhay. Sorry. Yes, kayo din. 1v1. Sino ka 1v1 ko?
Sipping coffee like you're on a late night show. Watch the front door all night. Willing to come. And he said it's supposed to be fun. Turning 21.
Hamunin sa ML. Uy. Ganito lang ako, pero ML. Okay, guys. Bye, I guess. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kung may gusto kayong game na iba, message nyo ako sa IG. Okay. Yeah. natin yung timer.
scar.
ML lang? Oo nga, dami nang nag-enjoy sa ML. ML lang. ML lang gusto nyo. ML lang. Oh, thank you. Gusto nyo Hindi pa rin ako natututo mag-ML. Ay, pero in fairness, guys, kung alam nyo kung gano'n kabano mag-ML dati, ganun pa din. Uy! Na-entertain ba kayo sa ML? Buti naman. Okay. 2 minutes, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kasi ako hindi. Joke lang! Gusto niyo ako mag-rage bait. Ay, mag-rage mag-react sa rage bait lang. Like, sige. Ano naman? Like, one of these days. This week. Okay, guys. 1 minute. Kalikot na ating ML ko. Makikita dito.
Hey!
Na-open ko lang to pag nandito eh. Ayun. Ayoko yan. Woo! Okay. Bye. Bye, guys. See you sa next stream. Bye!
Just between us, do you
Thank you sa viewers until the end. Until the end. Daming nag-view today, kanina gabi. Umabot ng 400. Thanks, guys. Good night. Good night. Yes. Yung malapit na matapos yung kanta sakto. Parang sabay lang yung kanta tsaka sa... Okay. Good night. So, 30 seconds.
Don't stare too long or you'll hurt your eyes.
Biglang may nag-send ng galaxy. Hindi. Kailangan ko ng umalis. Wala. Ganyan naman kayo eh. Napasa nyo lang ako. Uy! Pero sanay naman ako. Hala!
The louder your cheers, the brighter these flames. Let's make
history! Halos sabay yung music tsaka yung timer ko sa live. Okay.